probably the evolutionary ancestors were green algae. The most basic group of plants are bryophytes, and they are mosses and their relatives. There are no aquatic mosses, or very few. Let's just say for now that they're not really that relevant. Then you go to ferns and their relatives. Then you get to plants that have seeds, and there are two types: cone-bearing, of which, by the way, there's about as many cone-bearing plants as there are aquatic plants. So those numbers are similar. And then finally, we have flowering plants, which is the vast majority of plants. So they are they're with flowers, and they have seeds enclosed in fruit. So here's the breakdown. There are 235,000 species of flowering plants, about 15,600 of mosses and ferns, 11,000 of, mosses, and 11,000 of ferns, and 760 of cone-bearing plants. So I was a little bit off from the total numbers. This total would be closer to 260 rather than 255. And there are 760 conifers, cone-bearing. And again, no one else is putting in another answer. Don't be shy. Your answer might not be right, but it's not a bad answer. There are about 1,000 species of aquatic flowering plants. There are three main parts of plants. There are roots, which absorb water and nutrients, and they create the anchor or the foundation for a plant. They have leaves, which are where photosynthesis occurs, and they have stems. And stems are the rigid tissue that supports the leaves and also transports substances back and forth between the leaves and the roots. So I'm not going to go into a lot more detail of that.